In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the number of products displayed per collection page in Shopify Don't theme. Generally, by default, Don't theme displays only 16 products per collection page, but as of version 14, the limit has been increased to 36 products per page. So let me just go ahead and show you where you can make the switch. So first of all, let's log into Shopify admin account and then click on themes and then look for Don't theme. As in my case, it's version 15.0.2. Then select customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, click on home page and then select collections. Then click on default collection. Then on the left, look for template and then select product grid. Now on the right, look for the product grid settings. And as you can see, the default is set at 16. So let's change it to a maximum of 36. Now let's go ahead and save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update on the system and then go to your website and find a collection with more than 36 products. Let's refresh it. And as you can notice, this particular collection has 39 products, but the first page shows exactly 36 products and the remaining ones are on the second page. And the product limit increase applies to the desktop and mobile versions of the site. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.